We're back with another powerful dynamic dashboard. And honestly, this one is impressive. And if you want to try this dashboard yourself, comment dynamic below. What you're seeing right now was created from raw data in just a few minutes. No complicated setup, no spending hours creating formulas, and definitely no manually designing every single chart. Let me show you exactly how it works. This is our raw expense data. At first glance, it's just rows and rows of numbers. But watch what happens next. I'll simply drag and drop my raw data, and boom, our dashboard is ready. Just like that. From raw data to a professional business dashboard in just a few moments. Now let's make it even more flexible. I can change the currency based on my data. And look at that. The currency updates instantly across the dashboard. Right at the top, we have our key performance indicators: total spend, approved spend, pending spend, and several other important expense metrics. Instead of searching through hundreds of rows, you can now understand your overall expense situation at a single glance. And there's much more. As we scroll down, we get detailed visual insights into our expenses. We have expense by department, category breakdown, monthly expense trend, payment methods, and approval status. So now, instead of just looking at numbers, we can actually understand the story behind the numbers. Which department is spending the most? Which category is increasing? How are expenses changing month by month? And where are our payments going? Everything is right here. But wait, there's another feature I really like. You can export the entire dashboard directly into Excel. Let's open the exported workbook. And here we are. The same KPIs, the same charts, and the same reporting structure right inside Excel. But here's the really important part. This isn't just a screenshot of the dashboard. The workbook remains dynamic. The formulas and calculations are still there, so you can continue working with your data directly in Excel. Now, let's make our charts look even more professional. First, we'll remove those unnecessary grid lines. Then, resize the charts, align everything properly, adjust the shapes, and clean up the overall layout. And slowly, you can see the difference. What started as a simple Excel report is now becoming a clean, professional business dashboard. And finally, here it is, our completed dynamic expense dashboard. Raw data turned into KPIs, turned into powerful visual insights, and finally, a professional, editable Excel report, all in one workflow. We'll share the dashboard link along with the complete procedure. And if there's a specific Excel tool, dashboard, tracker, or automation you want us to create, tell us in the comments. Your idea could become our next project. If you found this video useful, please like and share it with someone who works with Excel or business reporting. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more powerful Excel dashboards, automation tools, and productivity solutions.